Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things tech.
Today, we're diving into the world of mini laptops and exploring one of the best contenders out there for work and play. Introducing the KOOSMILE Mini Laptop, a compact powerhouse designed to revolutionize your productivity on the go.
Let's delve into why this mini marvel stands out from the crowd. First off, let's talk about portability.
Weighing in at just 0.78 kilograms with an 8-inch HD touchscreen, this mini laptop is the epitome of mobility.
Whether you're a business professional, student, or gaming enthusiast, the versatile 2-in-1 design allows for seamless transformation into a tablet, offering a fluid touch and handwriting input experience.
But don't let its size fool you. This pocket-sized PC packs a punch when it comes to performance.
With 12GB LPDDR5 RAM and a blazing fast 1TB M2 SSD. Coupled with the Intel N100 processor featuring 4 cores and 4 threads, you can tackle daily tasks and advanced applications with ease. Crafted with precision using CNC technology and housed in a sleek metal body, the KOOSMILE Mini Laptop offers a plethora of connection options. From USB 3.0 and USB Type-C to HDMI and a headphone jack, stay connected to your peripherals and multiple displays effortlessly. Speaking of connectivity, this mini laptop leaves no stone unturned. With Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, and Gigabit Ethernet, you'll experience lightning fast and flexible networking, making it the perfect companion for your on-the-go needs. And let's not forget about versatility. Whether you're studying, working, embarking on a business trip, or indulging in some gaming, the 8-inch HD touchscreen with 1280 by 800 resolution and support for 1024 level pressure sensitivity ensures a captivating experience. Now, before we wrap up, let's take a look at what customers have to say about the KOOSMILE Mini Laptop. With an impressive rating of 4.1 stars out of 5 and rave reviews highlighting its performance, screen quality, and sturdiness, it's evident that this mini laptop is winning hearts.
In conclusion, if you're in the market for the best mini laptop for work that offers unparalleled portability, performance,
and versatility, look no further than the KOOSMILE Mini Laptop. With a 1-year warranty and 24-hour customer service support, it's a worry-free investment in your productivity.
That's all for today, folks.
If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth tech reviews.
Until next time, happy computing!